Lao is easy. Su means y'all, you guys, everyone, or all. For example, พวกซูสิไปใส่ Where y'all going? ซูมาแต่ใส่ Where'd y'all come from? ซูคน Everyone. ซูบ้าน Every home. Su means to or towards. For example, เดินทางสู่หนองคาย which means traveling towards หนองคาย or traveling to หนองคาย Another example, สู่ให้น้องแน่ which means give to your younger brother slash sister. Su means to fight against or to struggle through. For example, พวกเฮาสู้เพื่ออนาคต We are fighting for our future. สู้ในเมืองใหญ่ means surviving or struggling to survive in a big city. Last but not least, สู้ which means an affair or secret lover. For example, เขาเจ้าเป็นสู้กัน which means they are having an affair. If y'all enjoy what I do, please consider buying me a cup of coffee in the link in my bio. Also, I'm trying to reach 500 subs on YouTube, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.